Welcome to Crazy Facts, with me Leah. Number 1. Flatworm. If a flatworm's head is cut off, not only does it regrow its head and brain, and that new brain contains all the memories of old cut-off brain. They have 5 paired organs that act like hearts to pump their blood through large blood vessels. There are over 20,000 species of flatworms, and these can be found living on land and in water, both fresh and marine. The most popular form of flatworms are tapeworms. Number 2. Quokka. The quokka, also known as the short-tailed scrub and the only member of the genus Ceratonix. There is an island called Rottnest Island in Western Australia where people can hang out with quokka. They are friendly animal we can take selfie and to feed, but however, like any wild animal, quokkas can bite, especially when humans try and feed or pat them. But you're unlikely to get sick from the bite, according to a paper chronicling the history of quokka bites. Number 3. Italy. In Italy, food theft is not a crime. If you're poor and hungry, it's legal. The judgment came on the year 2015 to 2016. Number 4. Japan. There is an island called Okinawa Island. Okinawa is a Japanese island in the East China Sea. In Naha City, Shuri Castle is the rebuilt palace of the Ryukyu Kingdom. Also known as Horyai of Japan, Okinawa people is the healthiest people in the world. More than 400 plus peoples were still living at the age of 100 plus. Number 5. Astronomical clock. Astronomical clock located in Old Town Hall in Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic. An astronomical clock, horologium, or horologe, is a clock with special mechanisms and dials to display astronomical information, such as the relative positions of the Sun, Moon, zodiacal constellations, and sometimes major planets. Current generation have no any idea how to read it. Number 6. Radiation rabbit. There is no ears for rabbit in Japan, due to the radiation of nuclear explosion in Japan. Number 7. Purple potatoes. Purple potatoes are hybrid seed developed by CPRI, Central Potato Research Institute, Shimla. The new variety is dark purple-black in color and has high yield as compared to the traditional variety. Number 8. Just Room Enough Island. Just Room Enough Island, also known as Hub Island, is an island located in the Thousand Islands chain, belonging to New York, United States. The island is known for being the smallest inhabited island, which appears to be around 3,300 square feet, or about 1/13 of an acre. The island is known for being the smallest inhabited island, which appears to be around 3,300 square feet, or about 1/13 of an acre. The islands are just 500 feet away from Bolt Castle, the iconic storybook mansion that George Bolt began building in 1900. Just Enough Room is owned by a family called Sizeland. Number 9. Abraj Kudai, the largest hotel in the world, consisting of a ring of 12 towers 45 stories high, with 10,000 bedrooms, 70 restaurants, and 4 rooftop helipads. Located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Height, 755 feet, floors above ground 45. Number 10. Black dragon fish. Its look likes alien. Females fish can grow up to 40 centimeters in length, but males reach a maximum length of only 5 centimeters. They find their meals using their sense of smell rather than sight. They are known to be meat-eating scavengers.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to my channel for more updates.